Perform the function. Check. Number 1. Press the trigger. The trigger. Hold to the wheel. I'm saying like the clip, it looked like it hold 10, but normally they hold like 12.
Bro, you gotta put one in the chamber. Sometimes you put one in the chamber, I don't know.
Oh, you asking me like I don't know. I'm taking a class with you, right?
I wasn't paying attention. I fell asleep.
You fell asleep taking a gun course?
Bro, like,
How you find out about JP Services today anyway?
yo, I was on Facebook. I seen this page. He also has a page on Instagram. I was like, yo, with everything going on.
With the support hand, I slot. Boleh IT lah. Biar tak kau boleh dah ada. Boleh dia mungkin tak. Release. I'm ready. What? God damn.
You know, the gun.
C'est pas vrai. C'est pas ça, moi. James, oye, Kola. Vagabond. Non, vous finissez de gâter Jonas. C'est qui est comme mal de là?
I'm sorry.
Ouais, non. Et tu n'as pas les mamans autour. Après, Jonas, Philippe Garçon. Si c'est pour ça, on vient chouem.
Maman,
Puis là, on vient pour un bon classe zam. Pour tuer maman. Better. It's better, bitch.
The push.
Ou pas qu'à venir prendre ça, c'est pour l'évangile nous. Où t'es là? Regardez.
Ça veut faire là.
Ça va faire là. Mais c'est chouette d'abord, oui. Regarde là.
Tout le monde là.
Oh, vérité, moi, chouette.
Tout le monde là. Oh mais son billet. Oh mais nous mettons checking device sur téléphone, même marre tout de même. Hein?
How did you, how are you even, what? You come to JP?
Services for today. No, I'm coming to
I
secure.
comprends ça, gars là, même.
I'm going to secure. I'm coming to do security, Jonas.
Why chouette tout?
Oh my God.
Dad, I'm here at JP Services of today at my concealed weapons class to get my concealed weapons license.
Why you need the gun?
Ah, mon Dieu, moi,
Why you give me to with the gun, Jonas?
What? You see what you do to your daughter? Huh? You see what you do to your daughter? Huh?
This is clearly...
Konya Jonas, what
No.
See that? See that, Jonas? Flash.
That's your Bible.
Flash.
That's not all the protection you need right there.
Flash.
It's right there.
Look.
Jesus Christ.
Look.
This gave me comment. You don't need this JP services for today. You don't need that, Jonas. You see Jesus Christ.
Flash.
Coming to Jesus Christ. Your Bible, Jonas.
Flash.
But you don't need that.
What do you mean?
I got something for that. I got something. Come in, Jonas. No.
That be 28.
It's okay,
You shouldn't be
Jonas.
trying to whoop me. I'm going home. I'm getting in my car. Please don't try to touch me with your belt. This is not the time for this, Dad. Like, what's going on, everybody? It's Jonas. That's James. James and Jonas, of course.
And we are in your face today to talk about JP Services of today.
That was a great video, by the way.
It was really good. Yeah, it was really good. JP Services of today basically offers you a wide range of services. Concealed weapons courses, security courses, all in one. So you can go ahead and get your concealed weapons course and then go next door and get your security course, therefore getting both licenses.
And who better to secure your event, your property, or whatever than a Haitian security officer? And for those of you who want to conceal in public, well, you coming to the right place. JP Services of today. Get your concealed, get your security training. Why not? And it's black owned business.
Come on, man. You should have led with that.